morning, everyone. There's nobody out here this morning except for me and Meester. And there's just no better way to start the day than with an almond milk homemade latte and getting truth down deep in your soul. Okay, here's real life. Meester jumped on the table, hit my coffee, it spilled all over my Bible. So, good morning. Okay. And it got all over my jacket that I just cleaned. We're not angry, are we? No. We just accept it as prepping me for a child one day. Right, Meester? Yes. I can't believe you could literally live somewhere and never know about something. I've never ran these stairs. Oh my glasses. This has been one of the coolest runs I've ever been on in my entire life. I'm just so happy and I feel so full of joy and I'm just so grateful to move and I just feel so happy. I feel so happy. What's up, guys? I want to talk about some of the ways, the very, very small ways that I have changed my life recently. Our lives are made up of our minutes, of our hours, of our days, of our months. And so what it ultimately comes down to is right now. It comes down to what am I doing right now that is going to enable me to live the life that I want to live. We can really get caught up on the end result rather than where we're at right now, what we're doing today to achieve those results. And I've talked about that in videos before, but a little refresher. Okay, I'm not even doing my makeup. I'm just literally sitting here talking. Here's the thing. What it boils down to is our time and our energy. In this video, as you can see earlier on, I show you that I'm waking up early and I'm going to bed early and I'm getting up and I'm exercising. The idea is doing these habits and doing these things that we want to do in our life on a day-to-day basis. I've been accomplishing that. And so I want to help you accomplish the things that you want to accomplish and the things that you want to do. And so what it comes down to is our time and our energy and prioritizing. That's why things get done. For me, I would actually really look forward to the end of the day where I just got to like veg out, go on my phone, watch Dance Moms, going to bed early, going to bed at a reasonable time. That's not something that I looked forward to. I looked forward to vegging out, but I wanted to go to bed early. Does that make sense? So I have now these two conflicting goals. Reality check, I want to go to bed early, but I really like to veg out and I really look forward to vegging out. I can't have both of those goals at the same time because they conflict with each other. I need to be able to say, what is the best investment of my time and energy? What do I really want? Freedom and responsibility go hand in hand. The more freedom that we have is because we're responsible. With more freedom comes responsibility. So for some people, maybe you can't go on your phone at all because you just get sucked in for hours and hours and hours. So for me, I can go on my phone for a few minutes, whatever, and then I can go to bed. Maybe I just want to check a few things, respond to some of your comments, and I just kind of want to check in one last time before I go to bed, and I've learned to manage that. Now, what happens is when we start to get out of control, we stop making decisions. We're out of control. We've not been responsible in that area, and maybe now we need to say to, you know, our parents or our spouse or our roommate or whoever we're with and say, hey, you know what, can I give you my phone at 9 p.m. and you just take my phone because I am out of control. I'm no longer able to make decisions. I am addicted to my phone and I need you to take my phone and get it away from me. See, the thing is, you don't have freedom to go on your phone because now it's controlling you. You don't have the freedom to just go on your phone for a few minutes because you get sucked in for hours and hours and hours every single night, and it's habitual. Now it's a pattern. Now it's a habit. And so we need structure to change that. When it comes to any goal in your life, and I'm literally not doing my makeup now, again, I just can't. It's a one-track mind, you know what I'm saying? Embracing our weakness really does make us stronger. So if I want to simply make my bed every single day and I'm not doing it, and I want to do it, but I'm not doing it, I'm not going to do it. You're just not going to do it unless it becomes a priority. Instead of feeling guilty and feeling lame and feeling dumb and feeling like we can't change our lives because we can't even make our bed in the morning, if I want to find and discover and live a joyful life, and that means I'm going to have the freedom to do whatever I want to do, but then it means I'm going to be responsible to my own goals, saying, you know what, I want to be spiritually strong. I want to be mentally strong. I want to be physically strong. And so then I'm now going to prioritize those things to get them done. Does that make sense? I didn't write a 50,000 word book because I put it on the low priority list. It was a priority for me. It was the most important thing for me to do that day. I can give you all the information all day until you're blue in the face. I can't talk. I literally cannot talk. Information is like ingredients. If I just give you all the ingredients to bake a cake, it doesn't just turn into a cake. It's the recipe for change. It's not just, you know what, hey, here's a workout routine and go ahead and do it. It's like, okay, thanks. I can read a million workout routines all day long, every single day. I can do these things, but I can still not do them. I can still not do the workout. So what needs to change? It's not that it's an informational problem, it's a behavioral problem. I'm gonna do the one thing that it takes to accomplish these goals that I have for myself and my life and my days, because again, our days make our lives. We're gonna have a life transforming recipe for change. Does that make sense? The biggest thing I'm realizing is in this video is that it's literally impossible for me to do my makeup and talk at the same time. So how that looks practically for me in my life right now is waking up early is a result of me going to bed early because my body needs sleep. My body's like, if you don't give me 8 hours of sleep, I'm not gonna function. How have I been doing that? How have I been able to create that change is believing that I can do it and then looking at it from a realistic standpoint and saying, okay, is it a priority for me? No, because watching Dance Moms for literally every single season right before I fall asleep is a priority. I feel like I'm just giving you so much stuff in this video, but I just wanted, there's nothing that brings me greater joy than seeing you change. I really want you to know that I care about you and I really want you to do the things that are in your heart. And that's why I'm making this video, is because I know that you can do it. I believe that you can do it. You just have to believe it for yourself. I can tell you all day long that I believe in you, and I do, and that's why I'm making this video. But until you can look in the mirror and say, I believe I can do this, it's not gonna get done. Something that's like really simple that's honestly been so helpful for me is to just start the day. When I get up and I make my bed, it's like this little ball of momentum that kind of just gets me going. It gets the day off to a good start. And so for me, I'm like, straight up, I could live in sweatpants all day, every day. I'm one of those people that if you give me sweatpants and a messy bun, I will be more than happy for the rest of my life, and that's great. But I found recently, and this is so simple, and this is just for me. But for me lately, like doing my makeup, and this is taking me forever. It usually takes me no more than 10 minutes to do my makeup. Doing my makeup has literally given me this like new little motivation, sparks this like, okay, if I did this, I got done, I feel a little bit more put together, and now I'm gonna do this. Maybe for you, that's like laying out your workout clothes the night before. You know, this doesn't have, not everyone wears makeup. Maybe find something for you that's like really little and like really small. It can be a momentum, it can be a little catalyst for change. It gets you just, you know, I feel a little bit better about myself because I made my bed this morning and now it makes me want to go clean this or go do that, or makes me want to not get distracted when I'm sitting down to read my Bible. I don't know, that's just like a little practical tip that's really been working for me lately. It takes me no more than 10 minutes to do my makeup and no more than 10 minutes to do my hair. And even if it's a braid, like even if it's just a simple braid, and I know that that might seem very dramatic, it's been really enjoyable for me to take a few minutes for myself. I just feel ready to take on the day, whether it's making my bed, doing my makeup, whatever it is, going to bed early, waking up early, a little bit of self-care as far as, you know, outwardly, and then self-care inwardly of taking care of myself spiritually, making myself spiritually stronger and beautiful on the inside, taking time to read my Bible and pray. And then I literally just forgot the last one. Oh, of course, duh, which is moving my body. It looks different every single day, whether it's a rest day or foam rolling, stretching, or a 7-mile run, running the stairs. That is what I've been doing, and it's been so life-changing for me. We never actually finished the end of my makeup, so maybe we'll do that in the next video. I'm gonna finish my makeup because I can't multitask, and if you enjoyed this video and you can't multitask either, please give this video a thumbs up. That was a really good bridge. Maybe you could leave a comment and tell me really funny, hilarious ways that I can like remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment, and the funniest comment, I'm gonna try it in my next video. Like, I don't know. Do we understand where this is going? Am I making sense? Leave a comment that helps me to help you, to remind you to give my videos a thumbs up. And I'm gonna try it in my next video. Or DM me if you really wanna be like secretive about it. And if I use your idea, I'll give you a shout out in my next video. If there's one thing you learned from this video, you can do it. So just do it. Start today. Don't start tomorrow. Why wait for tomorrow when you have today? I'm just so excited for you because I know you can do this. So you just need to believe it too. I love you so much. That's gonna be it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.